So here we have the kettlebell transition into the other hand exercise. Now, why should we do this? Why can't we just do kettlebell cleans into the same hand? Maybe swapping, maybe just doing same hand and then swapping. What the transition does, it basically keeps the flow consistent. So you're able to keep focusing on the rack position more than you'll do more racking than swings. So if that makes sense. So if you see that, what happens is when I do this from the left to the right, that's one swing, one rack, one swing, one rack from the left side. But if I was to do one side, one swing, one rack, one swing, one swing, change hands, another swing, rack. As you can see, swing, change hands, swing, rack. So essentially being able to change hands is going to reduce the amount of swings that you do, and it will increase the amount of racks to level out the amount of racks ratio. So 1-to-1 instead of doing 3 swings, 1 rack, if that makes sense. So I would recommend doing this if you are trying to do a consistent flow of different exercises. But learning how to do this gets you to build up confidence, so you're able to maybe go into different exercises without having to worry. Because obviously you can't switch hands by doing this with the kettlebells. It's just going to be very tedious and very uncomfortable. So to be able to switch hands is going to be a bit more comfortable, and you're doing less swinging, and you're able to consistently keep the flow going. Hopefully that makes sense. So this is what I'd like to call a kettlebell transition. So basically something that you can add to your flows, add to your exercises to make sure that you're improving the quality of your lifts rather than your cardiovascular aspects.